Okay, so this is a LayZSpa Bestway San Francisco, which costed over 1,500 euros. The cover has already been replaced twice because there's a defect at the seams, and the seams they just give up. And then these blots, it doesn't cover the surface of the spa anymore, and then it becomes completely unusable. Now I'm at my third replacement. This week something new happened. I came in the morning and then the spa was deflated, and it took me a while to find what was the root cause. I had to try to reinflate it and then look for it by passing Soapy-water everywhere. So good old sponge with some dish soap. But actually, let me show you. So this is the spa, and there are a couple of seams where they have made the connection for the plastic board, and then you can see here, and this is one of those seams. You have one here, you have a bunch along the way, and yeah, that's kind of it. So the issue is here in that seam, which has become porous. So sorry for the noise, but I will show you what that means. Bad ending of the camera, sorry. Let's do that. Turn it on. Okay, let's give it a second. Actually, I'll turn off the pump in a second. I think that's enough to illustrate. Okay, so practically the spa is slowly losing hair through the seams, or actually here, and it looks like the seam has lost its integrity. And it happens very, very, very slowly over time, but practically you need to inflate it every day. And it's not repairable. So now it's the fourth structural failure I have for miss. So this is an engineering issue or a material issue, but it's not mishandled or anything. Let's try. See if we can zoom in. Let's find one. It will be abundant. So we see exactly where it is. Let's see this one. There you go. Sorry for the bad editing. Yeah, but somehow service says, the service support says that it's too warm in my region, and practically it's misuse. But I guess this is an outdoor spa and I didn't weld the seams myself, so something is wrong here. I'll let you all give your own conclusion.